He don't read mama, he don't read, he don't bust, he don't happen again for his he don't finally read. The government approved land Demolitions don't finally enter Abuja. The new Abuja landlord, where they call Nyesom Wike, the low budget Adofikla, is not ready to grab people land where be said and suffer to achieve for so many years. Now, he does send optimistic and orthodox warning. He say if you get land for Abuja and you get C of O for the land and you are yet to develop it, he said they go revoke the C of O and your land go big. That is to say, you will lose your land in a twinkle of eye.
And all these people who are doing land marketing, I'll talk to the staff tomorrow. There are people involved. And let me tell you, that period of land marketing is what? Over. And those that government are giving CFO land, allocated land to them, they refuse to develop. And use that they are becoming land speculators. The land is gone. I'm going to revoke them. I will revoke, because I don't understand how you government will give you land to develop, then you keep the land land that you may have paid for 200,000. You're not beginning to find who will buy for 2 billion and 3 billion. Who does that? We'll take back our land and give it to those who want to develop. And you must sign that you must develop at so time. So, if you are part of those who have been getting such land, it will come back to us.
He said those people will be say that the dystoronative metamorphosis and the disconvolutions, the master plan of Abuja, he said make them ready, saying go begin to demolish their houses one after the other. He said those people will use the green spot of Abuja, take on to restaurant, where they for the road suya, and where they for the bike vehicles and peninsula and Mogbesogbe industry. He said make all of them ready to run temple run, saying go give all of them woto. What do you expect when Agberu is in power? The people will feel the Sogodonians and the woto constituents in action. He don't finally read.
People who are distorting the master plan of Abuja, too bad. So then look at refuse everywhere. Those who are paying for refuse collection, what are they doing? So we must also sit down to look at differently ways of waste management or waste disposal. It is very key. All those people who are distorting the master plan of Abuja, too bad. If you know you are built where you're not supposed to build, it will go down. It will go down. Be a minister of anywhere, be an ambassador. If you know you have developed where you're not supposed to develop, your house must go what? Down.
Hey God, wahala be like married man wey dey wear pants sleep for night. She go explain tire for family meeting. Now, it don finally happen. Make una see the man when Balablo Laba make as the FCT minister. Somebody who is not even qualified to be an Agberu chairman. He is now the FCT minister.
Stop shaking your head. Because that's sacrifice for you. You should stop shaking your head. You are one of those who are causing problem. They gave you chieftaincy, a young boy, so you don't even know what to do with it. And then when I'm speaking, you shake your head like this. Oh, fake, causing problem everywhere. You just go and wear something that's bigger than you. When somebody looking for power, you would think that an elderly person, very small young man, this man. I know when I was in school, he was running around, going for errand. Now he's wearing Osman Danfodio.
Igbo people wey dey for Abuja, make una ready for this heartbreaking temple run wey una wan run so, because right now this man Nyesom Wike, wetin he do for Obigbo Onyi during the time of EndSARS, na he wan begin do now in a demolition systematic. Yes na, some people go talk say Cele, why you come dey mention Igbo people for here? Make una no worry, now till 1 week or 2 weeks una go hear this cause, because when a prophet like me dey talk, so many people no dey believe. Make una no worry. Igbo people, una wey know say una dey do businesses for Abuja, make una begin relocate una business to us, especially when e be say una business dey for illegal structure, or you wey be say you even get land for Abuja or nada. Most of una sef, una go lose una houses now, because dem go talk say those area na green spot metal theology. Hey God, Cele, keep quiet.
Those who have taken over the green areas to build, sorry, our past must come back. The green areas must come back. If you hate green, you must hate yourself. So if you know you have anybody who is involved that have taken over the green areas, have taken over the parks, to where you now do restaurants, no, we will not accept that. Sorry. If your father has done that, sorry. If your mother has done that, sorry. There's nothing I can do. It will go down.
And so, una wey be say una get property for inside Abuja, make una ready to cry, because this time around, na be say e don finally red. But meanwhile, if Agbero dey rule, the people must surely collect woto. E don red.
And some people are saying, oh, Abuja is not doing this, Abuja is not doing that. Those of you who also have refused to pay a grand rent, non-payment of grand rent is a breach of covenant. I don't need to write you to pay. You know this word as well. You are like a tenant. At the end of the month, you are supposed to pay social amount, for example, and then you say, oh, my landlord has done anything to me. No, it doesn't make sense. But Abuja needs money too, is it not? Part of the revenue, or source of revenue, is ground rent. So if you have not paid, be it national, whatever you call it, banco, anywhere, big man, sorry. I will not be tired to revoke. That's why I'm here. It is true.